Today we'll be installing the PNW Components Loam carbon handlebars. Step 1. Remove grips, all other components, and accessories from existing handlebars. Step 2. Remove the faceplate from the stem and remove the existing handlebars. Step 3. Put carbon assembly paste where the handlebars will be contacting the stem. Make sure to wipe away any excess carbon assembly paste from the handlebar. Follow the carbon assembly paste manufacturer's instructions for proper application. Step 4. Install PNW Loam handlebar onto the stem and replace the faceplate by loosely and evenly tightening each faceplate bolt. The bar should be held in place, yet still be able to rotate easily. Step 5. Rotate the bar into alignment by using the handlebar graphics. Step 6. Fully torque each faceplate bolt to the stem manufacturer's torque specifications to complete the installation of the PNW Loam handlebar. Review the stem manufacturer's installation manual for stem specifications. Step 7. Install brake levers, shifters, dropper lever, and any other accessories onto the handlebar. Adjust to your preferred positions, then install the grips. Refer to each of the manufacturer's torque specifications for each cockpit item. Step 8. Double check that all items installed are fully torqued. Note: do not use handlebar extensions on the PNW Loam handlebar bar ends. Do not use grips with a single outer clamp. Step 9. Enjoy your PNW Components Loam handlebars, and we'll see you on the trails. If you would like to cut your carbon bar to a specific width, see our video on how to cut the carbon bar.